Hey, my name is Malaika. I'm on a journey to lose about 200 pounds, and today is my weigh-in day. So, funny thing, so this week, the entire week, I did not eat out for the whole week. So I ate at home all week long. Last week, I actually ate out every single day last week. And if you were with me on my live video, or maybe you watched the live replay last week, you saw that I had said I was up a pound from the last weigh-in. I was at 296. By the time I had actually did the video on Tuesday, because I weigh in on Sunday, so by the time I did the live on Tuesday, I had already gone back under what I had gained, but it was basically from me eating out the week before. And I noticed a few things, so I just wanted to share that real quick. One, and this, most of us probably already know this, but you know, when you're eating at home versus eating out, you have way more control over the portions that you're getting, which also is going to help control the calories. And not even so much just the portions, but what's in it. Because even if I go get, let's say like a sandwich from Wawa, which we like to do, get like a sub sandwich, you know, I can control how much mayonnaise they may put on that sandwich, or how much lettuce. You know, they have like the meat and that kind of stuff already pretty much pre-measured out. But you know, I can say a little bit of mayo, it can give me an idea of the calories, but depending on how heavy-handed that person is that day that's making that sandwich, is going to make a big difference on the calories. So obviously when you're eating at home, you're going to have way more control over the calories of what you're eating. So it's, for me, since I calorie count, that is important. So it definitely made a big difference as far as the amount of calories, because the week before, when I was eating out that entire week, I went over my calorie range, I think 4 out of the 7 days. But this week, eating at home, I only went over my calorie range 1 out of the 7 days. So there was a big difference there. The second thing I noticed was that when you hear what my weight is this week, and there was such a big weight loss this week. And I think the second thing is that I may have been really bloated from all of the eating out I had done the night before, whether it was like increase in sodium or, you know, whatever else they're putting in the food. I think I just may have been retaining a lot of water. So that made a huge difference in my weight loss this week. So that was a big thing. And the last thing that I realized is that the difference between eating out all week and then not eating out at all was that the week that I was eating out, I had a lot more cravings, and my cravings were a lot stronger than this week eating at home. This week eating at home, I didn't really have much of any cravings at all. It was really easy for me to just flow through my calorie range and, you know, just eat healthier throughout the week. So that was a big difference for me as far as like the week eating out versus the week eating at home. Just to give you an idea of what I was eating out. The weigh-in before, so the Sunday before I started eating out, that week's weight I was at 295. So like during that week before my actual official weigh-in of the week, I had gotten all the way down to like 294.2, but by weigh-in day I was at 295. And during that week of me eating out, I ended up gaining 1 pound, and I was 296 on weigh-in day. And I'm actually surprised that I was only the 1 pound. I'm glad that I was only 1 pound and not more, but I'm actually surprised that I was only that 1 pound for that week. But as far as what I ate out that week, I had Salem's a couple of times. That's this gyro place here in town. I don't actually get gyros or gyros, however you pronounce it. I get fish and fries from there. We actually went twice. One time I got grilled fish and shrimp, and the other time I got fried fish and grilled shrimp. We ate there a couple times. I ate it at Waffle House, and I promise you, when I went to Waffle House, I did not just get a waffle. I got like the big old, I don't know if it's called All-Star meal or it might be All-American meal, one of the two. But anyway, I got the full meal when I went and ate there that day. I went to Chipotle. I had Chick-fil-A twice. We also went to Popeyes, Hungry Howie's, and McDonald's. And then I also went to this local place. It was, we were trying it for the first time, called Pelicans. It's like this snowball, like ice cream, icy. It's like ices, but way better. And then mine was stuffed with ice cream on top of that. So I had like this snowball, what they call a snowball, one day as well. So all that during that first week. And like I said, lucky me, I only gained 1 pound, 1 pound that week. So, you know, like I said, that was my weight previously. And then I had all of that and only actually gained 1 pound. So I was at 296. This week, my weight was 290.8. I know, crazy, right? So that means I'm down 5.2 pounds from last week and a total of 42.8 pounds. So I'm super happy about that. Again, like I said, some of that could have just been bloating and everything from eating out, but also I did the hard work this week and made sure that I stayed within my calorie range at least 6 of the 7 days. I had more control over making healthier options, and I still had my snacks, but I still made sure I stayed within the calorie range this week. So I am proud of that, and we're moving forward. So my next big goal is getting 50 pounds down, and I can't wait to share that with you. By the way, if you like to eat out, let me know in the comments some of the healthier options that you choose when you do eat out. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to follow my journey as I lose about 200 pounds, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.